balina omuwa medication your entire life. That's what it is going to be. Kati omwana abeerenga ku ddagala all the time for the rest of his life. Olidde ng'ate abadde mulamu. Ekyokusatu, abantu badonatinga when they are dead, not when they are living. Olidde baba forms nti bobanga you have expired, can we take your kidney? That's how they donate. Naye muntu tova eri muntu mulamu noga nti kidney yange yino mugitwale. Ate muwaso ng'oli mwana muto. Kubanga kakati omwana omuto aba alina time nnene nnyo gy'akyaliko ey'okubeerawo mu bulamu. Nga ffe bwe tubaddemu obulamu bwaffe. Olidde naye ayagala abeere ne kidneys ze enjoying life. Olidde. So I'm totally against it. Much as I know it is the only way that can save your life for the time being. Naye we have to look for another way of getting that kidney, not through our son.
Buli kyoyogerako twakinoonyerezaako dda. We have Googled, we have talked to doctors and many doctors, we have talked to people who have been donated to and the people who have donated. Kubanga nze wendi babeera bampeereza buli ssaawa abantu abadonatinze ne bebadonatingidde. Ono omwana wampa like kidney oba omuntu yenna nga mpadde tabeerayo ku ddagala for all the life. Abeerako for 2 weeks. Naddayo n'akola ebibye. Wakuba ekikyukamu ebira diet aba takkirizibwa kulya nnyo nnyama, talina na kunywa mwenge. Byebyo byokka.
Bajje mu mwana gye bakutaddemu. How will you know? How are you going to guarantee nti kakati organ gye bantaddemu ye y'omwana ogenda ziramba ensigo nagirambye? I'm not okay. Banjagala tuteekemu sa. I know the pain you are going through, but that pain is not as big as the pain you can put a scar on the child forever. Ye reasoning yange. I know the pain you are going through. Olidde. Kakati omwana banaatuka ekiseera nga naye yeetaaga kidney. Kubanga olwedde kati olaba nti there is a history of kidney failures in the family. Kati omwana bwanaatuuka nga naye yeetaaga kidney. Ani anaagimuwa? Okitegeera? So that's the reasoning I'm trying to make here before I bring in other people nti oba tugende tulabe doctor. Naye between us tutandika okirowoozaako. Tubenga twefumiitirize. Let's think seriously. And you put a scar on someone for life. Buli wanaabeeranga, people will be asking him, what happened to you? What happened to you? That is so traumatizing. I don't think I would be in a good situation. Whatever, I don't have to undress or swimming or kolaki. Olidde. Nga abantu babeera bakubuuza, what happened to you? What happened to you? Ng'olina kukola explanation. Olidde. Naye ng'ate nga you had an option. Olidde. You had an option. So I'm trying to think through it, and I'm very serious on this.
Okay, that's Mukwano.
Omwana had 17 years. Nayenza, I still believe.
But I think even the dad has a moral authority to say something about this.
He has, but you see, to them, it's selfish.
It's not being selfish.
People have lived with one organ.
It's looking to the other side of the kid. Because of course bagamba Jacksta bagamba woyagala omwana okusinga nnyina or maybe obamulogo or something like that. So tetugezaako kuba nti oba omuntu oyagala maama. But the question is tewali option in that. I think this kid is young for that.
Omusome tata kyagambye nti omwana agenda mu swimming pool.
That was a lame excuse.
No, abamusange ne scar.
That was a lame excuse.
What's wrong with having a scar when I said to my mom?
Kyagambye this family has this history. Encho omwana wali yetaaga ensigo. Ani agenda ogimu?
No, kati who guarantees you anagifuna?
Kati omanyi tebatukola ensonga tuzirekere family.
Katonda ayina engeri. There is a reason. God has a purpose. He has a reason
what I
why
know, nze baby Jacksta muganda wange kyemmanyi omuntu omwana ku nnyina toteekayo kikyaba amwagala nnyo. So omwana ono ayinza n'okutekinga decision nga talowoozezza.
Oyo omwana maama we bw'afa, the world will change. Oyo omwana abaddewo minus taata we oyo tabaddewo 17 years. Maama we yamulabiridde. So why do you want to risk your mom dying?
So why would you risk this boy's life? Why would you risk this boy's life?
No, actually, this is about helping him live. Munsi in the world, it's about sacrificing. We know we are ready to sacrifice.
So we let the boy sacrifice.
But I've lived as an orphan. Sometimes I wonder,
I've also lived as an orphan. I also wonder,
if you can save your mom and you can do it, please do it.
Really?
17 years, you can do it.
Okay, Linda ko Jackster, when it's concerning mom, with a single mom. For my mom, I would do anything. Today you
cannot donate to your mom. If your mom is in this dilemma today,
I would do the same thing. So my mom would be there and option or something.
It is about you saving your mom. Why should someone save your mom when you can save your mom?
Okay.
Dear Evelyn Lagu. Of course, we have reacted. What is she thinking?
Now, yes, nga mama.
Yes, nga mama.